As you work, Word automatically starts a new page when you get to the end of each page. If you want to control where one page ends and the next begins, insert a manual page break by putting the cursor where you want to start a new page and then select Insert, Page Break. To change the settings for how Word treats paragraphs across page breaks, select Layout and then click the arrow in the Paragraph group. In the Paragraph dialog box, select Line and Page Breaks. Under Pagination, choose the option that works best for you. If you need to delete a page break that has been added to a document, you'll need to first show the paragraph marks. Select Home, Show Hide Paragraph Marks. Paragraph marks are non-printing characters like page breaks, paragraph markers, spacing, or section breaks that can help you format a document. Next, go to the page break you want to remove. Double-click it so that it's selected. Then press Delete.